Hi all, welcome back to my channel PySpark Pulse. So it's been about almost a month. I have posted a video since I was, joining I joined ThoughtWorks, and it was quite a good experience. And I was away, and I was busy in some other work, so I could not upload a video. But this is one of the question that I got asked in the EXL interview, which I gave. Okay, but also this is the question which I see it is asked in Google, it is asked in ZS, it is asked in Accenture. So this is one of the most common SQL question actually. And being a PySpark developer, I have tried to solve it in the PySpark way, as well as I will be showing you two ways how we can solve this question in SQL. So this is one of the question that you must have heard of if you have given a data engineer interview or like SQL interview. So find the manager who is reported by at least five other employees. Okay. So this is the question. This is the sample data for that, and this is the data frame that we have created. So let me run this query and let me show you the result also. So as you can see, there is this ID, name, department, and manager ID column. And the manager ID column is like what you can say, the employee who reports to which manager. So that is the manager ID. Okay. Now what we want the employee who is being reported by at least five employees, right? Exactly what you want, the manager who is being reported by at least five other employees. So this is a concept of SQL join. Sorry, this is a concept of self join, what we perform. But before you, I will show you the SQL problem, SQL solution of it. Let us go and do the PySpark solution. So let us give one a variable employee reported by five others. As I've already done this, so this is the variable is coming. So what we need to do for this question, we need to join the same data frame twice, right? With it. So what we can do, we can give alias first. Df dot alias. We can give as emp1. Okay. And what we need to do, we need to do join. So we are joining df dot alias, as we can give it as emp2. Okay. And on what column we need to join? We need to join it on emp1 dot id with emp2 dot manager id. Okay, let us see. emp1 dot id equal emp2 dot manager id. emp2 dot manager id. Okay, so this is we have joined, and let us see the result if we are getting any error or not. So we are getting the error. A column of function parameter with into manager id cannot be resolved. It is because it is like this. Let me replace this, and now it will run. Let us see the result, and I will be doing the solution step by step. So you can see our table is joined, and we are getting this columns, and yeah, it is joined, no issues, perfectly. Now what we want, we need to group by. Why we are grouping by? It is because we want the manager id, right? Like the manager who is being reported by five other employees. So we need to report it by the non-aggregating columns as such. We will do the group by dot group by. What we want emp1 dot name, we want, then we want emp1 dot id. What else you want? We want emp2 dot manager id, right? emp2 dot manager id. These two things we want. Why manager id we are grouping it? Because this will be the main column, and we want the output in uh, we want the output of name and id. That's all. So, and what we need to, we will be doing dot count. Let us first see the result of it. What will be the result? Okay, so we can see the result as Jane Smith. His ID is 2. The manager ID is 2, and he has been reported from 6 employees. Then again, this David Lee, he has been reported from 5 employees. Let us cross check with the sample. So 6 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again 2. Again then 2 was 6 times, right? Then again 6 is 5 times. So let us check 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, we are getting the correct result, right? So we did this, and now we just need to filter out result. Filter, what we need to do, greater than 5, right? Now look, what is the name? It is count. Column count greater than equal to 5. Okay, let us run this. Unexpected indent. Okay, I forgot to put the slash here. It should work. Yeah, we should be getting 2 records. Jane Smith, and now we need to remove this ID. That's all. Dot select, and we will be taking as e1 dot name and emp1 dot id. emp1 dot name, emp1 id, and for reference purpose we will also take the count. Yeah, I think that's it. And then same error. Yeah, solved. And we can see sorry, I didn't run this. So we can see the expected result. Jane Smith, her ID is 2, and David Lee, his ID is 6, and they have been reported by 6 and 5 employees respectively. So this is the PySpark solution to this problem. If you're giving the PySpark interview, maybe he gave you SQL question for this, and he might ask like, can you solve it in PySpark? Then it would be interesting, right? How you'll be solving it. It is easy, like who worked in PySpark, they can solve it. Now I will, as I promised, I will be solving it in SQL perspective also. So I will be creating a temporary view out of this. We'll be naming it as employee. Okay, percentage SQL. So first of all, I will be using this with CTE as table statement. Okay, with CTE as, and I will be just selecting the name ID and manager ID. Select ID comma name manager ID. I think I'll copy this. No, just copy the manager ID from above. Select ID comma manager ID from EMP. Let us run this. Okay, it will run, but it will not give any result. Select star. Run this. We got the result. Now what we want ID and name only. Select ID comma name from EMP. Okay, and we'll be joining its join city on emp dot id. Okay, equal to city dot manager id, and we will also group by this id comma emp dot id comma emp dot name. Put this here also, otherwise give this you'll be giving an error because it won't identify from which table we want this ID and name. And also you want this filter on count, having count star greater than equal to 5. That's it. It should give me the result as desired. Yeah. So we are getting this result. So this is one of the possible solution with CTE. Now let us do the same approach with subquery. Okay. We'll select. I will just copy some of the stuffs from here. Copy. I think I can copy from up to join. Yeah. Okay. Then in join we will be passing this CTE query basically. Yeah. And I will be naming it as CTE only because I will be copying the stuffs from above actually. I think nothing much. This is the same thing. You might say like what I've taught you here. Nothing. But still just an approach. Syntax error. Some syntax error it is. Let me check. So TMP from I think some syntax error is there. Could not find select. Just give me a second. Okay, double select I've given here. I think this should work now. The table of UCT cannot be found. Verify the spelling or correctness. SCT. Okay. Let me check. If it did not qualify, the table of UCT cannot be found. Verify the spelling correctness on the schema and catalog. Okay. I think is on CT on. Okay, 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 okay. Again, I put this join statement here. This should be like this only. That's why it is giving error. So this was this was one of the basic error that I did. I just put two join keywords and it was giving the error. So see, this is one of the way. Then we are getting the same result. This was with CTE, we are getting the same result, and this was with PySpark, we are getting the same result. So this is very interesting problem actually, and this is a problem of self join. We call it as a self join. There might be a random question also theoretical like what is self join. So we should explain like self join is a join which in which we are using one table to join with itself, and their applications can be by looking this employee related tables and some recursive tables. If we are using, then the self join is used actually when you want some iterative result, right? So this can be one of the thing. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, please subscribe my channel and do watch my previous videos also. I was quite busy, so I could not create, but I promise I will be creating 2 or 3 videos in a week. Thank you. Bye.